should do.
This is how to tie a slip knot for the beginning of your crochet or your knitting projects. So for crochet, I usually start my slip knot about 15 centimetres, 6 inches from the tail end of the yarn. If I'm knitting, casting on using the thumb method, I obviously need to leave a longer tail because we use the tail for the cast on. Okay, so to start with, I have my tail end out to my left, and with the working yarn, I'm just going to make a loop like so, so that the working yarn goes over the top of the tail. I'm going to pick that up where it crosses over, put my fingers to the loop, and then just grab the working yarn. So I grab a loop of the working yarn and then grip the working and the tail end and just gently pull so that we've created a loop with a slip knot at the bottom. If I put my fingers on that knot and just gently pull the working yarn, that knot gets smaller. Put my hook in, gently pull again, and we have our slip knot ready to go. If you're knitting, obviously put your knitting needle in, ready to go. So that's one method. Another method is using my fingers with the tail end towards me. I wrap the yarn around my fingers and make a cross on the top. I just lift up that bottom thread, put my fingers under, grab a loop and pull through. You can also do that with a crochet hook. So with the tail towards you, those middle and index finger clamped together, a bit like a pistol. Wrap the yarn around those two fingers, not too tightly, so that you make a cross on the top. And then on the top part of that cross, I'm going to go under the first strand, grab the second one, pull it through, twist the hook towards me, slip my fingers out, and then pull both yarns together. And then we have a slip knot ready to go on our hook. Obviously, we need to tighten that up a little bit onto the hook. There we go, all ready to go.